great find right here. The favorite store has sent these to me. I appreciate it. I want to thank them. You can never have enough light. You got the portable, rechargeable working lights. These are weather resistant. I'm going to open up and check them out. And I have played with them a little bit. A matter of fact, my handy guy was here and needed a light, and he used it, and he was like, wow. He said, yeah. So it comes with two, and they're very durable. And there's different ways you can, they're magnetic. And also there's a hook here. You can hang it like from the hood of your car or from somewhere else. If you can put a screw on the wall, you can actually use these. I've seen these used permanently. They've got rubber on them. They're very durable. Got the button on the side. You got different settings. I want to turn off the lights so you can see them. All right, turn out the lights. So I'm going to turn one of them on. Bam. You see, that's just one. And then you got the dim, then the flash. These are very cool. I'm going to turn them both on. And that's complete darkness. But yeah, these are very powerful. Come with the little instructions, which are very self-explanatory. Comes with two charging cables, USB-C. And I'm going to definitely use these. These are something I'm going to hold on to. Again, they're magnetic. Let me see if I can show you how they work. I want to show you real quick on the refrigerator. Bam, it's just really good. So there's different ways you can use them. Again, definitely cool. Gotta check these out.